show you how to create textual annotations using Google Docs. The story that we're using for our sample here is called The Story of an Hour, and it's about a 3-minute read. So you will want to read through the entire text because you'll be responsible for creating a number of annotations on your own outside of the annotations that I show you here today. So let's get started. To create annotations in your text, the first thing that you want to do, and you can do this as you're reading, is you'll need to make a copy of the text so that you can write your own annotations on it. And once you've done that, then you can begin to highlight and underline and suggest areas to create your annotations. I would suggest first highlighting all of the areas that you would want to annotate. So to do that, I'm going to highlight here. And these are the samples that I want to use. This particular paragraph I think is important, so I'm going to highlight this as well. I'm going to use a different color though so it stands out. And then this sentence here I also find rather important. So for this sample purpose, again, we're looking at these 3 sentences here. Let's look at the yellow. A kind intention or a cruel intention made the act seem no less a crime, as if she looked upon it in that brief moment of illumination. So I want to interpret this line, and basically what I think it means is she's having a guilty feeling. So I'm going to go up into my upper right-hand corner where it says editing, and I'm going to click this drop-down arrow. There's editing, suggesting, and viewing. I want to select suggesting, and here I can then type in, before I do that I actually need to unhighlight my text, so none, and now I'm going to type in guilty feeling. And it looks like I did not do a great job of removing the highlight, so I'm going to go back and do it again. Okay. So if you're in the suggesting mode, you can see here that my annotation is in green, which enables me to see your writing from the actual text's writing. Another way that you can do this would be to comment. This will remove the colored highlights that you selected originally, and that's not a problem as long as you're okay with that. So to comment, I would select the entire area that I wanted to comment on. I would go up to comments, and I would select comment. And here in the margin then, I can type what I want to say. So I believe that this line means this is the only way that humans function. It's always a love-hate relationship because we'll never fully relate to someone else. And then I'm going to go ahead here and click comment. So notice that there's a yellow background now also. That represents the comment over here in the right-hand corner. I prefer the green suggestions, but either way is fine by me as long as I can see it. So again, I want to comment here on free, body and soul free, she kept whispering. So what I think this means is that the narrator is glad that he's dead in a half weird, in a half kind of way. So I need to go up here and unhighlight, and then in my suggesting, what I want to write is glad he's dead in a half kind of way. And so now you can see 2 different ways that you can create annotations. I'm looking forward to seeing your annotations once you turn them in, and this is an activity that we'll be doing several times throughout the rest of this unit, so this will be a great practice for us all. Have a nice day.